Is the minivan market no longer growing? Despite the general trend in the auto industry, Hyundai continues to produce family vehicles that are not as popular as SUVs. After debuting the Staria and Custo, the South Korean brand is releasing another MPV, only this time it eschews the use of sliding doors. The new one is much smaller than the other two similar vehicles and is a more budget-friendly offering with room for 6 or 7 people. The front design is reminiscent of the Staria's older brother with its LED strip, although the main headlights do resemble the Mitsubishi Expander, another small minivan without sliding doors. At the rear, boomerang-shaped taillights incorporate futuristic light graphics that look especially interesting at night. Despite the Stargazer name, Hyundai does not offer a minivan with a sunroof that would allow people inside to look up at the stars. As for the interior, it is much more traditional than the exterior design. The 3-row cabin has a table with a built-in cup holder in the back of the front passenger seat, and second-row passengers have access to 2 USB charging ports. The driver gets a 4.2-inch digital dashboard and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, as well as a wireless charging pad for a smartphone. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 1.5-liter gasoline engine with 115 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque, which is sent to the front axle via a 6-speed manual transmission or variator. The Hyundai Stargazer rides on 15-inch wheels with thin 185/65 or 15 tires, but more expensive versions are upgraded to a 16-inch set with 205/55 or 16 rubber. In terms of practicality, it offers 200 liters of cargo volume behind the third row and 585 liters behind the second row. In Indonesia, where Hyundai is launching the compact minivan for the first time, the Stargazer comes in active, trend, style and prime trims with more safety kits. The technology includes blind spot collision warning and lane keeping assist, among others.
So, did you like this video? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more content like this, and above all, leave us your comments and theories below. See you in the next video.